this part, I will show you how to create a simple new symbol. Naturally, we need to be present in the symbol library. I highly recommend to create your own library as I described in the previous parts. And here is the command for the new symbol creation. So hit the new symbol. Symbol name will be something artificial because we are, so let's say demo01 with the default reference designator. I highly recommend to set the correct reference designator right now. Now you can see there is an empty plane for the new symbol. Basically each symbol which you need to build inside your schematics need ports. Here is the, or pins. Here is the dialog for the new pin creation. Pin name will be, for instance, A with the pin number 1. This is very important. The pin name not so. This is like the logical name for your orientation, but the pin number must reflect the pin number in the footprint. I recommend to select the correct electrical type. For inputs, you should choose input. For outputs, bidirectional, naturally bidirectional. I recommend to follow the datasheet and look for the table with the pin descriptions of the component in the datasheet, and then to assign the correct electrical type. Here is our pin 1 with the name A, and I will create something like register with 2 pins, so the pin name will be B and number 2. The circle on the pin line is the connection point, so it needs to lead the opposite way from each other. Now, as I said, I will create something like register, so I called a rectangular tool to draw something like resistor. I recommend to place the symbol in the origin of the coordinates, because then the rotation will work as you expected. Once the symbol has some offset from the origin of the coordinates, the rotation doesn't work. So here can be the designator, and we are not finished. We need to set the attributes of the symbol. So value can be demo01, as I said, artificial symbol. Footprint. Now we don't have any footprints, but I will set some footprints from my own library, which will be, for instance, footprint for resistor 0603. You can see there are 2 paths in the footprint, and the first is named, or its number is 1, and the second one has the number 2. So I choose this one. Or from the previous part, I can see that in the demo library there is already resistor 0603. It's great, and I can choose this footprint. Datasheet. There can be something. We have artificial components, so there is no datasheet for artificial components, but I highly recommend to add the datasheet links to each symbol. Description. I recommend to place something there, because in the list of the symbols the description is shown there. So demo component resistor, like something like that. And as I said, manufacturer's order code and supplier. Those two attributes doesn't need to be shown, so I untick the checkbox. and the manufacturer's order code will be demo01, but you can imagine this reflects the real, the genuine, the actual manufacturer's order code, and supplier can be anything like your favorite supplier. And keywords. As I said, I use my own specific keywords to make the component search easier. So this time I would definitely use demo, and this is something like register. So register, once I will look for that device, I write exclamation point demo, and I will see all symbols created inside this demo. So this is our first symbol, just a little cosmetic work, and we are done. Happy designing!